let's break down the 3 most common mistakes that we see at Produce Your Podcast when it comes to a call to action. 1, it's too broad. What does that mean? That means that you're saying something like, go to my website or sign up for my newsletter or connect with me on LinkedIn. Those are all calls to action, but they're not specific enough. You need to say what's in it for them. If your newsletter is packed with information and gives them the opportunity to learn more about how you work in your business, make sure you let them know that there's a value to them for signing up for your newsletter. If you have a library of resources and blogs and opportunities on your website that they can utilize to help them, let them know why you want them to go to the website and what to do when they get there. Number 2, it's too complicated. So too complicated is also synonymous with too many choices. The confused mind says no. So with your call to action, you don't want to do all of the things. You don't want to say, head over to my website, sign up for my newsletter, connect with me on LinkedIn, follow me on Instagram. It's just too much. Pick one solid directive of a next step that you want your audience to take and invite them to do it as if you were standing in front of them at a cocktail party or on the ball field and you wanted to say, hey, it would be great to connect with you on LinkedIn. Make sure you send me that message and let's see how we can continue this conversation. Make it very personal and make it an invitation to go to that next level with you. And third, it's either infrequent, inconsistent, or it just doesn't exist. Sometimes people underestimate the value of having a call to action in their podcast. They absolutely just dismiss the fact that it's important, or they don't feel comfortable asking to continue the conversation. If you do not have a specific call to action in your podcast, then your audience doesn't know what to do. So make sure you're physically giving them a step-by-step invitation to connect with you in a very specific way that is easy and also has less friction. One bonus tip for that is to use the same URL for the name of your podcast as the website URL that you want to direct them to. So for example, instead of produceyourpodcast.com, I'm asking you to go to the Growth Accelerator Podcast.com.